from EC department. Today I start the ADE lab, Analog and Digital Electronics lab. Under that one, Digital Electronics lab first experiment under the digital first experiment, universal gates design and realization logic gates using universal gates. That is the first experiment under the digital electronics. So here universal gates, what is the meaning of universal gates? NAND gate and NOR gate. These two are called the universal gates. Basic gates, what are the basic gates? AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So these three are called the basic gates. Okay, totally logic gates are split into two parts, basic gates and universal gates. So basic gates, OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Universal gates, NAND gate, NOR gate. So using the universal gates, that means NAND gate, NOR gate. Using these two gates, implemented the basic gates. That means OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. How to implement these gates? Let us see now. Please, my dear students, all of you see this kit. So this is the universal gates kit. So in this, before I am explaining the universal gates, so I am explaining the basic gates. So first basic gates, NOT gate. Next one, OR gate. Next one, AND gate. So NAND, NOR, etc. These are all the universal gates. So what is the NOT gate? So once you are understanding the basic gates, automatically you can understand the universal gates. So then only I am explaining the basic gates. So under the basic gates, first gate is NOT gate. So NOT gate consisting of one input, one output. Input is A, output is complement of A. Complement of A. Okay, for example, input I am applied the 0. Output is 1 because of NOT gate. This is NOT gate. NOT gate is means where whatever you give an input, the output is reverse. For example, NOT gate input is 0. Output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. So that is the rule of the NOT gate. So okay, this is the symbol of the NOT gate. This is the truth table of the NOT gate. So 0, so the input is 0. Now I am 0 volts applied to the NOT gate. Output is 1, A bar. Next condition, if input is I am applied 1, output is A bar. That means 0. So that is the NOT gate. Now next gate is OR gate. OR gate is consisting of two inputs, A and B. These two are inputs. Output is Y is equal to A plus B. So this is the OR gate symbol. Next, this is the truth table of the OR gate. So decimal 0 equivalent binary input is A is one input, B is another input. So 0, 0 is a inputs. Next one, next condition 0, 1. These are also inputs 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0 is a decimal number that equivalent 0, 0. 1 is a decimal number that is converted into binary 0, 1. 2 is a decimal number that converted into binary 1, 0. 3 is a decimal number that converted into binary 1, 1. So these are all the inputs. Now I am applied the inputs to the OR gate. So output, what is the output? For example, A is 0, B is also 0. Output is A plus B is equal to 0. Next condition, input A is equal to 0, input B is equal to 1. Output is Y is equal to A plus B. Our output is 1. Next condition, A is 1, B is 0. Output is A plus B is equal to 1. Next condition, A is 1, B is 1. So 1 means high, volts, 1 volt. So in under the digital electronics, zeros means 0 volts, 1 means high. 0 is low, 1 means high. So 0 volts, 5 volts, like that, low and high. Okay, here two inputs are high, output is also high. That is the OR gate. So next gate, AND gate. So this AND gate is a symbol of the AND gate. So these symbols are very, very important, my dear students. Please remember AND gate symbol, OR gate symbol, NOT gate symbol, whatever may be. So these symbols are very, very important. So the AND gate is also consisting of two inputs. A is one input, B is also another input. So Y is a output. Y is equal to A dot B. So A dot B, that means multiplication. Simple, I am talking about. AND gate is just multiplication. OR gate is addition. AND gate is multiplication. Put for example, A is one input, B is also another input. Y is equal to A into B. Okay, so this is the truth table of the AND gate. So truth table. So inputs A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Output is 0 into 0, 0. Next condition, input A is equal to 0, input B is equal to 1. Output is 0 into 1, 0. So next condition, input A is equal to 1, input B is equal to 0, output is also 0. So two inputs, A and B, two inputs are high, so output is also high. So that is the AND gate. So this NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, these three are basic logic gates. Please remember, if you are understanding these three gates operation and truth table and large symbols, automatically you can understand in the universal gates. So what are the universal gates? NAND gate, NOR gate. These two are universal gates. Using these two gates, you will implement the NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. However, so let us see now. So before we enter into the experiment, so what is the NAND gate? So NAND gate is the extension of the AND gate. So AND gate, NAND gate. This, please all of you see this one. So this symbol is AND gate symbol and NAND gate symbol. NAND gate symbol output is have the bubble. So that is complement. So the same NAND gate is also consisting of two inputs. So output is also Y. Y is equal to A dot B complement. A dot B bar. So here, this is the truth table of the NAND gate. So A is one input, B is also another input. So the A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, output is 1. However, that is complement. So in previous AND gate, 0 into 0, 0. But in case of NAND gate, so that is entirely reverse. Complement. Complement means, for example, input 0. 0 complement 1. If input is 1, the complement is 0. That is the truth of the logic gates. So next condition, input to A is equal to 0, input B is equal to 1, output is 1. So next, input A is equal to 1, input B is equal to 0. Output is 1. So last condition, A is 1, B is 1. So output is 0. See, this is NAND gate. Next one, NOR gate also. NOR gate is the extension of the OR gate. Okay, so Y is equal to in previous A plus B. But in case of NOR gate, Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. So this is the truth table of the NOR gate. So A, B inputs 0 and 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are all inputs. Output is Y is output 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is the theoretically, but practically same values are getting or not. Let us see one by one. Okay. So this is the kit of the universal gates. So here please all of you see this diagram. So NOR gate and NAND gate. NOR gate, NAND gate. These two are called the universal gates. Using these two gates, using the universal gates, you will implement the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, let us see. Now I am switch off the kit. So now the kit is on. Let us see, all of you see the connections. So here first experiment, first one first one AND gate. Okay, first one NOT gate using the universal gates. Okay, this is the one input. This input is connected to the AND gate. See here, AND gate is here. Okay, only one input. So now you are getting the output. So okay. So please all of you see this one. This is the kit of the universal gates. Okay, now the kit is on, power supply is on, power supply on. Okay, the power supply is on. So now input is applied 0. Input is, please all of you see this one. All of you see this one. This is the NOT gate. So using the NAND. Here is the input. These two are shorted. So Y is equal to A bar. If A is equal to 0, output is A bar 1. If A is equal to 1, output is 0. So this is the truth table. So according to the truth table, practically all of you see this one. This is the one input. So this is the one input is applied. So this is non-NAND gate. These two are shorted. So the output is connected this one. So now I am applying 0. So whenever 0 is applied, automatically getting the 1. So whenever LED is blown, automatically that means 1. If LED is off, that means 0. So now I am applying the input is 0. So output is 1 according to our truth table. So now input is applied now 1. Output is 0. Okay. So this is the NOT gate using the universal gates. So okay, please my dear students, once again for your understand purpose I am explaining. Okay, now I am applying the input is 0. Output is 1. If now I am applying the input is 1. Output is 0. Okay, so this is the NOT gate using the NAND gate. Next one, NOT gate is over. Next one, AND gate. Next one, AND gate. How to implement the AND gate using the NAND gate. So here also two inputs are there. First all of you see this one circuit diagram, two inputs. Okay, so now I take one more. So again now give connections. So this is one input is applied to the AND gate, NAND gate. Next we want one more input. This one more input to the NAND gate. So here the output is applied to the another AND gate, NAND gate. So this output please apply to the another AND gate. So these two are shorted. Please all of you see this circuit very important. So once you are understand one gate, automatically you can understand the every gate. Very simple, everything is simple. First one circuit, one logic gates are understand, automatically everything is very simple. So this is the connection of the AND gate using the NAND. So every logic gate consisting of two inputs. So this is the one input, this is the another input. So these two inputs are applied to the AND gate inputs. So the output is applied to the another AND gate. So these two are shorted. The output is connected to the LED. Okay. So these are all the 0, 0. So now the kit is, now I am applying the power to the kit. Okay. Power is applied. So all of you truth table, all of you see the truth table. Input A is 0, B is 0. This is the A, this is the B. So A is 0, B is 0, output is 0. Next condition. Input A is equal to 0, input B is 1. Output is also 0. Next condition. Input A is 1, input B is 0. Output is also 0. Next condition. Input A is 1, input B is also 1. Output is 1. Output is 1. 1 means the LED is glowing. So lightly glowing. Okay. So here both inputs are high, output is also high. Both inputs are 0. both inputs are 0, both inputs are high, output is also high. Both inputs are low, I mean low, 0 0, output is 0. So this is AND gate using the universal gate. Next one, OR gate. Once OR gate, so using NAND gate. So once again give connection. So please all of you see this one. This is the OR gate circuit diagram. So according to the circuit diagram, I give the connection. Okay, here A is one input. So this is A is a one input. So we give the apply to the AND gate. So these two are sorted. First these two are sorted, and then applied this one. Next one, B is applied. Another input is B. B is applied to the another AND gate. These two are also sorted. Now apply this one. Please all of you the circuit connections. Once you are understanding connections, automatically very simple. So next, these two are sorted. So this output and this output. This output and this output is applied to this output applied to this one, another gate one. So this also applied the okay. So this output is AND gate is applied to the here LED. Okay, both inputs are 0. So now the switch is on. So please all of you see the OR gate. So in both inputs are 0, output is also 0. So both inputs, input A is 0, input B is 1, output is 1. That means okay. So input A is 0, input B is 1, output is 1. So next one, input A is 1, input B is 0, output is also 1. Both inputs are 1, output is also 1. So this is the OR gate using the NAND gates. Okay, my dear students. So here what I am saying, using the universal gates implemented the basic gates. So universal gates means NAND gate and NOR gate. Using these two gates, you can implement the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So thank you, my dear students. Okay.